Shashikant, how did you like Disney?
It's fantastic. It's a wonderful, and I have enjoyed much more in Disneyland.
Okay.
And, thank you for my college and also all the colleagues. They have enjoyed this wonderful place.
Hi Shashi.
Hi, ma'am.
I see this big smile on your face.
It's a very fantastic place.
Uh-huh.
That's Hong Kong. When I reached 15th of January, I don't believe it is an unbelievable experience for me. In Hong Kong, there is a skyline buildings, there is a port, and there is a harbors, and it's very enjoyable city. And I feel very much experience from different like Hong Kong University, IMAX Retail Center, and Disneyland.
Yeah. So do you think Disneyland is the highlight of your visit, or is there anything that you can compare to Disneyland that you liked as much as Disneyland? Or I can understand Disney is an amazing place to come
Yeah,
to.
Disneyland is an amazing place to come, and it's an unbelievable experience I can get inside the Disneyland. And there is a Space Mountains, and there is a very much toys for the children, and these are full of enjoyable and wonderful
Okay.
and adventurous.
Okay. Thank you, Shashi. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yes.
I was visited to Hong Kong University. It's a fantastic place I have seen, and their colleagues of Hong Kong, they have shared their experiences, and it's fantastic university. They are pursuing they are organizing the courses in medicine and in science and art, and I think they are doing much more in medicines.
Okay. And I believe that you also met senior executives from Disney.
Yeah.
So how was that interaction for you?
It's a fantastic interaction with the senior executive of Disneyland. They have shared their experiences about how they are how they formed this Disneyland in 1995 in 2005, and how they are managing the sales. I think 19 million people visiting whole the year to Disneyland, and in this Disneyland there are two Hollywood hotels. One is Hollywood Hotel, and other is
Disneyland Hong Kong, yeah.
Disneyland Hong Kong Hotel, and they are managing in a very good manner. I think the interaction with the senior executive is very good. They share their experiences, that how they are doing the expansion in India and all the parts of Asia.
Thank you very much, Shashikant.
Thank you.
Hi Ram.
Hi.
Why are you so happy?
I'm so happy because visit to Hong Kong is a very adventurous and happiest moment for me. And Hong Kong is famous for skylines and lightning. And on a Nathan Road there is a leisure show. It's a very famous toward the world. And there is a large shopping center that is called Harbour City, and their shopping malls are totally segmented, and there are a lot of hub for a shopping, and all the goods and services, products are imported from the China, like vegetables, fruits, and all those things comes from China. And water is also coming to China, and there is a huge consumption of these products. And Disneyland is a very fantastic place, and the total area covered by Disneyland is 350 acres around, and there is a Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and Adventureland, and Fantasyland, and the whole thing is designed artificially, but it looks like a real thing. And there is a Tarzan house, and ma'am, wo jo
Raft.
boating and crafts, it's a very beautiful place to visit. And there is a learning hub, that is Hong Kong University.
Yes.
Hong Kong University, and lots of professional for science, art, and culture. All the departments are very segmented, and the faculties are very knowledgeable, and it's a great learning center.
Okay, so do you think if you would not have come here, then you would have missed a great experience in your college life?
Yeah, if I have not come here, then I have missed so much things there that I can learn something.
Okay, thank you.
I thanks to our college that they provided me a chance to visit Hong Kong. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ram. Hi, Gopalji.
Hello, ma'am.
Gopalji, I've been talking to your friends, and they're all telling me that here the cleanliness is different and people follow rules and regulations. So I know everybody noticed the change, But what do you think that you as a citizen of India should bring in your behavior?
I have also seen lots of things, but first I would like to thank my college, you and JB sir, and all the members who are related with this tour and makes the tour very helpful and enjoyable, very easy and enjoyable.
Thank you, Gopal.
And also, I am also very excited, and I have also seen lots of things which are different in India. I think India is also great, and I love India, but I think I have seen the different things, and I think you should also adopt those things. Also, my friend has discussed that the rules and regulations, the environment, and everything, the peacefulness. Every people are very peaceful.
Okay. So what can Gopalji do to help? What small change can you bring in your attitude or your behavior that you think will help?
I think ma'am, only education and literacy level can increase this and can make the environment like that.
Okay. So I know that we struggled a lot with time issues. You know, when we came here, we were always late and everything, and we saw that here punctuality is very important. So do you think that is something that you've learned, that time has a value, and that when you go back to India, you can probably tell others that.
Ma'am, time is always valuable, and you have to adapt, and you have to always on time, and without maintaining of the time, anything cannot be happen. You can take the example of the traffic rules and everything. Everything is on time, and everything is fixed, I think. And without the maintaining timing, you can't be perfect.
Right. Okay. So thank you, Gopalji. I hope you have a rest of the great day. Thank you very much.